In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google Calendar into a homepage within SoftTools. First thing you want to do is create a dashboard. So to do this, you go to Dashboards and click Add. You can title it whatever you like. I'm going to call this one Google Calendar Demo. Make sure the layout is 1 by 1 and make sure you click Is Global. So if you scroll down to Dashboard Layout, you have these icons here. You want this one at the end. This is an iframe, so you'll need the source from your Google Calendar pasted into here to create the iframe, which is how you embed something into SoftTools. So you go to your Google Calendar. We're going to use the example calendar here. So to do this, you go to Settings, scroll down to whichever calendar you want to embed, and then down to Integrate. So you'll see a URL here and then an embed code. So this is what you want to copy. Go back to your dashboard and paste. And now what you want to do is delete everything outside the quotation marks. So here it ends with the specific region. In this case, it's London. And then you want everything before this quotation mark. So it should start with HTTPS. You want the specific width and height for your specific screen. In this case, we're using 1200 by 1000. But you can always come back to your dashboard and change these numbers just to make sure it fits perfectly. And then you want center alignment, transparent background, and hide title. Then you need to go to homepage, click add. Again, title your homepage however you wish. We're going to call this one Google Calendar Demo again. Got a background color here that you can change. And if you want this homepage to be the first one you see when you open up your site, you click Default Homepage here. In this case, we're going to leave that for now. Come down to Homepage Content, and on the right-hand side, this is your dashboard link. So you select your dashboard, Google Calendar Demo that we just created, and hit Save. So you should see it here. Perfect. Just to double check this has worked, you go into Workspace. Now, because it's a home page, you'll need to log out and log back in again. Here we go. And then you should see it, just on the left-hand side. And this is your Google Calendar. Hope this video has helped. Thank you for watching.